In this video, I will show you how to edit a photo with Lightroom Mobile. If you do not subscribe to our channel, subscribe and stay next to us. First go to Light. Adjust exposure plus 20. Then adjust contrast minus 8. Adjust highlights minus 62. Now adjust shadows plus 36. Then adjust whites minus 70. And blacks plus 37. Go to color. Adjust temperature minus 16. And vibrance plus 43. Now go to color mix. Select orange, hue minus 49. And saturation minus 16. Select yellow, hue minus 62. And saturation minus 23. Select green, hue minus 74. And saturation plus 40. Select magenta. Adjust hue minus 100. Select blue, hue minus 56. And saturation plus 23. Select done. Now go to profile. Select artistic 4, and saturation plus 148. Select done. Go to effects. Adjust texture plus 12, clarity plus 10, details plus 18, and vignette minus 18. Now go to detail. Select noise reduction plus 20. And select color noise reduction plus 12. Again go to color. Select color grading and follow the video. Select done. Again go to light. Select curve and follow the video. Select done. Select crop. Click 1x1. And done. Before and after. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.